clubbing and we buzzing. Yeah, so we gon' get it into the nightfall.
So the whole crew is going to Karma tonight. Karma Saturday night. Should be a good night. I got my plaid t-shirt on with the denim in it. I'm ready to go right now.
It's going down somewhere else.
That's right.
Look at this guy. Where is your tan, Vanilla Ice?
Boy, 1 minute.
Your sister was nice enough to give you her whole outfit, shoes and all.
When I cook tonight, can I use your shirt as the barbecue mat?
Is that a jerk?
It's a jerk. That's a jerk.
Can we just call you Verkle? Where's the fun? Where's the fun?
I loved you in the Dukes of Hazzard. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, over.
All right, we're done.